In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add deposits and partial payments, WooCommerce for beginners. If you want to let customers reserve products with a deposit and pay the rest later, this setup will get you there quickly and safely. First, open your WooCommerce website and sign into your WordPress dashboard. We'll install a plugin to handle deposits. Go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Deposits and Partial. Look for the option by Codixer called Deposits and Partial Payments for WooCommerce. Click Install, and when it finishes, click Activate. A quick tip: if you don't see it right away, double-check the spelling and make sure you're in the WordPress plugin directory search. After activation, a new menu item called Codixer appears on the left sidebar. Click it to open the plugin's settings. Start by turning on Deposits for all products. This enables the deposit feature store-wide so you don't have to edit each product individually. If you want every order to require a deposit rather than making it optional, you can also enable forced deposit here. That way, shoppers will see the deposit option automatically without extra choices. Next, set the deposit paid status. Choose Completed if you want an order to be marked as completed immediately after the deposit is paid. This can be useful for digital items or bookings where the deposit confirms the reservation. If your fulfillment process needs a different status, pick what matches your workflow. When your preferences are set, click Save to apply the changes. Now on the left, go to Advanced Settings. Here you can customize the text and labels customers see on product pages, the cart, and checkout. Clear wording helps customers understand what they're paying now versus later. Update labels like deposit, pay in full, balance due, and any messages that appear after the deposit is selected. Consider matching your brand's tone so the experience feels seamless. Before you wrap up, take a moment to explore this plugin so you're familiar with its options. Preview a product on the front end and simulate a checkout to confirm the labels, statuses, and deposit behavior. Look right. If you use caching, clear it after saving settings, and if possible, test this on a staging site before going live to customers. That's it. Your store now supports deposits and partial payments with WooCommerce.